helpful video will evade all your questions. I screamers.
So you're calling God a liar.
I'm going to start this one here's already in false set, just because this particular lock takes forever to get into false set. Save you guys some time.
The other, The Origin of Species, was written by a cowardly drunk named Charles Darwin.
Yeah, this is slander! Darwin was one of the greatest minds of all time! Then why is he making out with Satan? Evolution is widely acknowledged as scientific fact. It's even accepted by prominent conservatives like George Will and the late Pope John Paul. That's something to think about. The George Will?
Lisa, you've said quite enough. Children, drawn around with whistling and arm flatulence.
All I'm saying is... Oh, what's wrong, sweetie? They're making us learn creation theory in school. Today, we had a test, and every answer was, God did it. Well, I think it's ideas if they are hearing. Maybe they can learn from each other. But they're incompatible! Lisa, lots of times, two incompatible things can both be true. My son's a brat, but he's a special little guy. Your father says he's at work, but there he is, jumping on a trampoline. Mom, you really have to choose here between science and belief. Well, then I chose,
Just two.
So, according to creationism, there were no cavemen.
Good riddance. Their drawings suck and they look like hippies.
Dad, you're not really reconsidering evolution, are you?
My mind is always open to new ideas.
All set.
Onions and the peas! What the hell? It is agreed, regular people can park in handicapped spaces if they're just running in to buy smokes or maybe some Pop-Tarts for tomorrow.
The system works.
And if there's no further business, I hereby declare this meeting...
I have an issue I'd like to raise.
There's my slow gabbling.
Last week, the unscientific theory of creationism was introduced alongside evolution in Springfield Public Schools.
Now, honestly, the Bible is about the same age as the rest of our textbooks.
And there you have it, guys. 3 BRINKS maximum security shrouded. Peace. Don't break the law.